2 weeks since 2 earthquakes devastated Turkey and Syria. Over 47,000 people have lost their lives, and thousands of buildings have been destroyed. A further 5 million people have been displaced in Syria's freezing winter conditions and urgently need emergency food, water, blankets, and shelter. Human Appeal has remained on the ground, distributing life-saving food and medicine. Thanks to your support, we're continuing to provide hot and ready-to-eat meals, warm blankets and clothes, pillows, sleeping bags and beds, along with nutrition and hygiene kits. We're also providing long-term secure homes and vital medical aid through our Al-Iman Hospital, including primary healthcare centres and mobile clinics to treat the injured. Thank you so much for donations so far.